Now the next, number 16. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation a into x squared minus 1, or this way, a into x squared minus 1 plus 28x equals 0, prove that the equation whose roots are 2 alpha plus 1 over beta and 2 beta plus 1 over alpha is the same. Now this is the equation they give us, but alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Then we want to prove that this equation will give us the same, these roots, upon computing its equation, it will be the same as this. That's what that question implies. Now once we compute the equation of these roots, that is the equation whose roots are given below, like with these two roots, then we get the same thing as this. Now to do that, let's see our solution. Now, this is the equation we are given. A into x squared minus 1 plus 28x equals 0. Now, open the bracket. A times s squared, a times minus 1 minus a, then plus 28x equals 0. Now, you can redirect it. This one to be the quadratic, this is the linear, and this is the constant, equals 0. Of course, since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, alpha and beta are the roots of this equation, which is the same as this, by extension, then alpha plus beta will be what? Normally, from the standard idea, you know, when you have the standard quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where alpha and beta are its roots, then alpha plus beta is minus b over a, alpha beta is c over a. So that is it. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus b over a, alpha beta is c over a. But our alpha plus beta is going to be what? Minus the linear term. So comparing this one here to this one here, a is still a, b is 28, c is minus a. So minus b, that will be what? Minus 28 over a, that's the sum of its roots. And alpha beta, which is c over a, is what? Minus a over a, c over a. Minus a over a, that's minus 1. Now for the new roots, what do we already see? What we wanted to use, the root sum product, we've generated it from the given one. So that's how you do it. If they give you alpha and beta to be the root of a particular equation we know, we now want you to find another equation, other circumstance. Now the situation they will drop, the premise to that conclusion will be something they will give us in terms of alpha and beta. So what you do is just to go and find the sum of what they give you and the product of what they give you. Always find the sum of what you are given. The new root you want to go and find, take its sum, and that new root again, take its product. Then we'll now tell you the final stage. Just be patient with us, watch through the video, then you see the final thing you do with the sum and the product we get. So the sum of these are the new roots. So its sum will be what? This one plus this one, and that's what we did there. Since it is plus, that's why we don't use the bracket. Since it is plus does not really produce any effect on any number. Like, it does not change the sign. Yes, even it is minus, we need to put a bracket because it is a two-term expression. So now, by this, I brought the O's together and the one that are fractions together. So this is 2 alpha, 2 beta, bringing it together, still maintaining the positive sign. 1 over alpha, 1 over beta, still maintaining it. So here, what do we have here? You can factor out the 2. So that will be 3 into bracket what? Alpha plus beta, plus LCM of this is alpha beta. So this will be alpha in alpha beta, that will be beta, plus beta in alpha beta, that will be alpha. So that will be beta plus alpha all over alpha beta, or you can call it what? Alpha plus beta all over alpha beta. Why is that true? Because addition is commutative. Alpha plus beta is the same as beta plus alpha. So yeah, that's it there. So what do we need to do? Just substitute your sum, alpha plus beta, substitute it from the one they gave us. That's what you will do. You want to write it at least. You're not just going to leave it in some product here like this, and then you say you don't know. Now, based on what they gave you, they want you to use what you are given as a premise for the next conclusion. So what you are going to do is go back to what you are given, the sum, alpha plus beta, what is it there? Alpha beta, what is it there? So alpha plus beta is minus 28 over a. Alpha beta is minus 1. So that was what we did. So that will be 2 into bracket what? Minus 28 over a plus. So this is 2 alpha plus beta, that's 2 into minus 28 over a plus what? Alpha plus beta minus 28 over a divided by alpha beta is minus 1. So that will be what? 2 times minus 28 minus 56 over a plus minus 28 over a times minus 1 over 1. Changing that. So minus times minus is what? Plus 28 over a. So LCM of these two. LCM of these two is what? LCM of these two is what? A. And then just add. That will be minus 56 plus 28. That's minus 28 over a. So that's what we got for the sum of this again. Now the product. The product, that will be this. The root they gave us, multiplying the two. So I expanded this. 2 alpha times all of this plus 1 over beta. 2 alpha times all of this plus 1 over beta times all of this. That was how we spread it. I spread it over here. And then 2 alpha times 2 beta, that will be 4 alpha beta. Are you there? And then 2 alpha times 1 over alpha, that will be what? Alpha at the top cancels, you see here. If you have to multiply, is 2 alpha times 1 over alpha. Alpha will cancel alpha, that will be 2. 1 over beta times 2 beta, beta cancel beta, that will be 2. And then 1 over beta times 1 over alpha, that will be what? 1 over alpha beta. That's what we have here. That's what we have here. That's what we have here. And then the next thing, just we are having all products in. So you know alpha beta from what we did is what? Minus 1. Alpha beta is minus 1. Alpha beta, you see it? Alpha beta minus 1. So we take it down to this place. Since everything is in alpha beta form, so that will be 4 times minus 1. 2 plus 2 is plus 4 plus 1 over alpha beta, 1 over minus 1. 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. So this will be 4 times minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0, minus 1. So meaning the product of that one too is what? Minus 1. Now the standard form, if you've gotten the sum and the product of a given quadratic equation, how would the equation look like? We say the equation is what? X squared minus sum you got times s plus product of the root equals 0. The sum of the root you got times s plus product of the root equals 0. The sum we got here was minus 28 over a, and the product is what? Minus 1. So we substituted it here. That will be s squared minus sum of the root minus 28 over a times x plus product of the root minus 1 equals 0. So minus times minus is what? Plus. So that will be s squared plus 28 over 28 over as. Well, plus times minus is minus. I don't know why I need to repeat this again. I'm sorry. So we continue here. Are we here? So the next thing is this. We just multiply through by the LCM, which is a times this, as squared, a times this, a at the denominator to cancel. We cancel the a at this for this term, and then we are left with 28s. A times minus 1 minus a equals 0. Now bring this one back here. We already see, but I just wanted to show you that it's the same thing. So bring the a down to this part and then factorize. So we get the equation back. The equation we got here is the same as the equation they give us from the question. This is the equation from the question. Do you see it? And this is the equation we got. Do you see it? Are they the same thing? I will leave it for you to answer. Thank you.